division here at On Semiconductor. Today I will be demonstrating how our Smart Passive Sensor product can be implemented for a tire pressure monitoring solution. The demo consists of a standard size passenger vehicle tire that is outfitted with our Smart Passive Sensor tag. The sensor tag consists of a Smart Sensor IC in conjunction with a printable antenna and an inductive tuned loop used as a sensing element. A piece of flexible metal is placed inside the tire across the loop that causes a change in inductance as the pressure rises or falls. By using its adaptive RF front end, the Smart Sensor IC is able to determine the impedance change in the environment and correct for it in order to maintain the maximum antenna gain. The change of impedance is sent as a 5-bit sensor code back to the ultra-high frequency RFID reader. For this case, we're using a handheld reader. In the actual application, it will be fixed, integrated into the vehicle, of course. Once the sensor code is obtained and sent to the reader, a back-end microcontroller will process the sensed information and send the information to the instrument cluster or electronic control unit inside the vehicle as a specific tire pressure. For the demo today, we will be doing 3 readings, the first of which will be at 42 psi. We will compare a standard analog measurement used with a pressure gauge to a Smart Passive Sensor measurement inside the tire. Now, this proof of concept demo has a tolerance of 2 psi for the sensor tag. So for our analog reading, we get 41.9 psi. And now for the Smart Passive Sensor. We get a reading of 41 psi, which is within the plus or minus 2 psi tolerance. For the second reading, we're going to bleed the air pressure down to 38 psi. And again, our Smart Passive Sensor tag. The reading of 39 psi, which is within the tolerance. The third and final measurement, we will bleed the air pressure down to a little below 35 psi. Our Smart Passive Sensor reading is 36 psi. With this demo, it's easy to see the conceptual approach to a tire pressure monitoring solution using On Semiconductor's Smart Passive Sensors. The passive tag approach of utilizing a single Smart Sensor IC in conjunction with a printable antenna enables low-cost tire pressure sensing solutions.